Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today we represent our system, which is a library book management system using binary search and bubble sort. First of all, I will introduce you our team. We got Muhammad Amir, Ashatul Batrisha, Fatin Khadijah, Ahmed Muhammad Reza, Muhammad Musudin and Muhammad Adam. So for our introduction system, library management requires efficient storage and retrieval of book record. Manual searching and sorting can be time-consuming inefficient. This project developed a library book management system using C++. The system apply binary search and bubble sort, which is for search book by book ID and sort book by their book ID. This system help improvement organization and book management efficient.
My name is Ashatul Batrisha and I will present about this project objective. First, store and manage book record using an array-based list. Second, implement binary to search book efficiently. Third, implement bubble sort to arrange books alphabetically. Last one, apply data structures and algorithm in a real-world system. And then we have problem statement. First, manual library management is slow and inefficient. Second, searching for books takes longer when records increase. Organizing books manually may lead to error. And then the last one, a computerized system is needed to improve searching and sorting processes.
Hi, now I want to present about binary search. How it works? Repeatedly cut the search range in half until the target is found. First, set the boundaries. Left, from the left, first index, and right, the last index. And then number 2, you find the middle. The middle, one must left plus right, and a goal is 2. And then it's compare. Is to compare with the book ID equal small or bigger. And then number 4 is arrow range. Discard the half that can contain the target. I want to give you an example for the searching for book ID 1004. Okay, first you must meet. The meet index 2. My found 1003 more and more bigger 1004. Search right half. And then after we finish, meet the index 3 will be 1004. The target is found. Okay, next I want to show you about binary search our code output. Okay, binary search is library CPP in the demonstrate through the option tool, right? Okay, first in the line 4 until line 5, we set the search boundaries, and then line 9 define the midpoint, and then line 11 until 12 check for a match, and then lastly line 14 until 17 the narrow array and the repeat. Okay.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ahmed Mohammad Reza and so in this project I take this part. So first thing first, I want to tell something about bubble part, how it works. So in our system we use the bubble sort to sort all book ID by their book ID in ascending order. So the idea is simple. Just we go through the list and compared to neighboring book IDs by side, and if the left one is bigger than the right one, so then we can just swipe it. So it's very simple, and each full pass through the list bubbles the largest unsorted part, unsorted ID to the end. So let me show you the one quick example using the bubble ID. So first you can see there is the book ID 1005 and 1001 and 1004. So we just compare to the first two book ID. So and then the left side is bigger, so we just swipe it to the right side. So the book ID was sorted. So now you can see the all book ideas sorted like 1001, 1004, and 1005. So this is the main things. And next slide. Okay, here is the coding part. So the outer in this coding part, there is the outer loop in line 4 to control how many passes we make, and the inner loop is line 6. There scans to the unsorted position of the array of each time. So that's the main theme things in our coding part. So there is two output. One is unsorted and one is sorted. So you can see the things. Okay. So this is my part. So thank you everyone. And next.
Okay, so now I want to show you for the demonstration about my project. So this is a interface for smart library management system. And when you choose one, display search by data order. You choose two, search by ID, binary search. And when you choose file, sort by book ID, bubble sort.
Okay, so basically for this slide, we have a user choose option, which is if the user choose option 9 to borrow a book with a 14-day loan period, we have the list, which is that we call the program display a list of 5 available books, as you can see in the table. And then it will also shows ID numbers, title, and how many times the book has been borrowed, and of course the status of the book, if it's available or not. Okay, so and for the return with overdue, fine with RM 0.50 cents per day, which is that this one system shows that Ame currently has book ID 1001 checked out. The user enter 1001 to return it, and the result Ame returns the book on 2026 23rd of June 2026, and then he returned the book on time, so there will be no fine or overdue fine. Okay, so next. Okay, so for the last one here is that we have currently borrowed and overdue list, which is that right now the section show that a person named Adam has borrowed the book titled Computer Networks, ID code 1005. Okay, and what is out is a person, Adam ni has to return the book by 7 July 2026. So basically, currently the book is being borrowed. Out of the 5 books, one is being checked out right now by Adam. And currently there are 4 books that are available other than Adam book. Okay, so in total also, it shows the total borrows for the book, which is 138. So next. So this is the conclusion. So basically for the conclusion is we have a key takeaways, which is bubble sort keeps our 100 book array ordered by ID with a simple, reliable, nested loop swap. And of course, binary search then find any book in at most 7 comparison instead of checking all 100. Together, they make our library management system fast, organized, and of course, easy to maintain. Thank you. That's all from us.